Hello, my name is Satrajit Dey. I study in Sri Academy from class 3, section A. Today I will perform a lava lamp using vegetable oil, baking soda, vinegar and food coloring. First, we'll take the baking soda and add 1 tablespoon depending on the size of the jar. Next, we will pour the vegetable oil fully. Then we will mix the baking soda a little bit. Next, we'll add vinegar. Just this much. Next, we'll take the food coloring, the dropper, and take some of it. And lightly add it. Now, we'll add it in jar very carefully. It works. And this is the reaction for the lava lamp.